this on. When Zachary was born, we were so excited to meet him. And I was so excited to put the sunsuit on him.
Okay, we'll put it down over here.
Zachary Pingoy is wearing a garment that may hold the world record for hand-me-downs.
All right, get the...
It's a kind of onesie that's called a sunsuit in the Philippines.
Yay!
And Zachary is the 60th baby in this family to wear it.
Sunsuit has been our family for 3 generations. My Lola, which is Filipino for grandma, I call her Lola, she put this on her first baby, my Aunt Bernadette, and they took a picture.
That was 1945. Mary Grace Pingoy's grandparents went on to have 12 children. And each one wore the sunsuit. One of those babies was Mary Grace's mother, Margie.
It was made by my aunt, the eldest sister, who is a nun.
She must have just thought I'd give a nice gift to my sister because she's having her first baby. And she didn't realize how important this sunsuit was 3 generations now.
When those 12 babies grew up and had their own kids, they continued the tradition 28 more times.
1, 2, 3. I'm gonna come in.
Mary Grace and her husband have 5 kids. She and the others in her generation have so far put 25 babies into that original sunsuit. Though these days it's only worn for the photos and then stored safely away.
Every time somebody says, I'm pregnant, or we make sure that he or she will have the sunsuit ready when the baby comes.
Now, there was a time that the sunsuit went missing for a while. But no baby is left out of this album. Even if the sunsuit is added by Photoshop or worn a little later than usual.
They had to stretch the sunsuit to fit her.
Now, you might say that the sunsuit is only a hand-me-down. Yet for the members of this large family spread around the world, it's become a powerful symbol of family unity and love, and especially the matriarch's love for them all.
And then just come a little bit forward on that side. Very good. Again.
Today, Mary Grace Pingoy is a professional photographer, inspired, she says, by her grandmother, who filled her own home with family photos. And Mary Grace says the power of this sunsuit tradition is not just that the babies wear it, it's also the photos.
I think pictures speak to children. And when you're growing up to see all the babies wearing the sunsuit, it just, you feel like a sense of belonging when you see your family heritage and that we're connected through the years. In this world today, that's something we all just need to know, is that we're loved and we're precious. And that's what my Lola taught me, to be that to everyone and to show them that.
Over here. Hi,